Boom. It's crypto faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Like, comment, subscribe, share, guys. Listen, we just hit 100 subscribers. That's kind of crazy. I feel like we just started the channel the other day, and we sitting at 100 and something now. But yeah, man, you guys are my day ones. You guys are my day ones. All right. Before you know it, we might be at by the end of the bull run, 100,000. 200,000 subscribers. Okay, let me take it day by day. Let's take it day by day. Let's get to 500. Let's get to 1,000. You guys like, comment, subscribe. I'm dropping gems. Okay, reporting live from the Island Resort. You see here, you guys know the spill. I've been wildly successful in crypto, and I want you guys to be wildly successful in crypto as well. So today we got a crypto market update. Let's get into why I believe the markets are bullish and not bearish. Okay, stop listening to these guys, bro. Stop listening to these bears, dated dash, whatever you want to call it. These bearish crypto analysts on Twitter, guys. This matter of fact, let's make this a part 2 of dated dash sold the bottom. That was my first video. Dated dash sold the bottom. This is part 2 right here, man. He's doubling down, by the way. He's doubling down on his bearish sentiment. But today I want to focus on why you shouldn't be bearish, or why I'm not bearish, right? So I want to focus on me on this channel. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but I'm dropping gems. Okay, I'm dropping crazy gems every video, teaching you how to be successful in this market. And it's very simple. It's very simple. All right, you don't need charts. You don't need metrics to make money in crypto, although it helps. But you just need a simple plan, which is pretty simple. You buy during the bear, you sell during the bull. That's all you got to do. It's so easy to make money in this market, but you really have to be a person who is principled and someone who takes action when you need to take action. All right, you need to be buying during the bear and selling during the bull. Like if you cannot have the discipline to buy and to be contrarian and to hit the buy button when you actually need to hit the buy button, and then also have the same discipline to hit the sell button when you need to hit the sell button, then yeah, you're not going to be successful in crypto. You're not going to make money. At the end of the day, it's sad to say, but a lot of people make paper gains in crypto. Everybody makes paper gains, right? You're going to see the money go up. You're going to see your portfolio go up if you've got crypto. But how many people actually transfer those paper gains into actual gains, money in your bank account? Right? Real gains. How many people? Not many. All right. And that's because you don't have the discipline to hit the sell button when you need to hit the sell button, and you don't have the discipline to hit the buy button when you need to hit the buy button. Okay. And that comes with being contrarian. Okay. And I spoke about this in several of my other videos. Some people think that you don't need to be contrarian, but you do. You really do, right? And what I mean by that is at the moments when you need, there are moments when you need to be contrary to the market, contrary to the crowd, contrary to your emotions, okay? For example, when it's the bear market, people are going to be like, oh, crypto's not coming back. Crypto's not, we're not going to see another bull market. It's going to be a recession. That's what you're hearing right now, and what you've been hearing for the past months, 5 to 6 months, right? You've been hearing a lot of the doomsday scenarios. It's going to be not a recession, a Great Depression. Listen, every single macro market analyst, when I say macro, I mean outside of crypto. I'm talking about traditional markets, stocks, bonds, etc. That's the macro world. So the macro analysts are all saying the same thing. We're going to see a recession. Okay, we're going to see a Great Depression. We're going to see, it's all doomsday predictions. And I'm not saying they're wrong. Don't get me twisted. I'm not saying that they're wrong. They could very well be right. But the timeline could be wrong. My thesis is that, yeah, all of the recession will come, but after the biggest bull run that we've ever seen in all markets. That's what I believe. Okay. I think their timeline is wrong. I think their timeline is wrong. Okay. I think that they believe that everything is going to fall off a cliff too early. Okay. And that's why I believe a lot of these people are actually going to miss the next bull run. not only in the stock market but also in the crypto markets. Okay, so that's key. Okay, got to be contrarian and hit the buy button when you need to hit the buy button. Okay, you also have to be contrarian on the other end when the market is in euphoria and people are saying there's going to be more euphoria. A lot of people get this wrong too, and this is where everybody goes wrong. All right, because eventually you will get into the crypto market if you don't catch the low of the bear, the low prices of the bear, you eventually will get in somewhere along the way in the bull market, and then the major problem comes when it's time to sell, and people are saying it's going to go higher. The market is going to go higher. BTC is going to go to 200, 300, 400, 700K. I've seen these predictions, right? All the YouTubers that you follow are going to be, preaching higher prices. All the Twitter guys are going to be preaching higher prices, and you're going to fall for it if you're not a disciplined individual. You're going to fall for it, and you're not going to sell anything. All right? That's just the way it's going to happen. That's just the way it happens to most people. They never, ever, ever have the discipline to hit the sell button. So all you have is paper gains, and you never make any money in crypto, unfortunately. But not my guys, not my day ones, not my day one subscribers. You guys are getting the real deal, info. I'm dropping gems here. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. If you're listening to this and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, like, comment, share. All right, interact. Okay, trying to get this channel popping. Okay, boom, let's get it. All right, so that was my kind of introduction. Now I'm gonna get into why I think the market is really bullish. Okay, let's start with number one. If you look at let's just look at the chart. Obviously, this is a vlog. This is a crypto vlog. A vlog every day, every other day, a few times a week. Right? I'm gonna get more active. Right now I'm doing it a few times a week, but yeah, so this is a vlog. I'm not here to show you charts. I'm not here to show you metrics or anything like that, but we can speak about it. Okay, we can speak about it because sometimes it does help, right? But you don't need them to make money in crypto. Like I'm trying to get that across. Crypto is easy. All you need to do is buy during the bear and sell during the bull. That's all you need to do. You know what I'm saying? You buy when everybody hates crypto. All right, so let's talk about this. How do you know that it's the bear? It's very simple. Ask yourself a few questions. Have we already had a blow off top? Yes. Bitcoin went to 69K. Boom. Has it been a year or two after that blow off top? Yes. All right. Are we before the halving? Yes. All right. We're in the bear market. That's all you have to ask yourself. Whatever you buy right now will be higher during the bull market. Okay. So now you have to ask yourself a few questions. When is the bull market? Is it after the halving yet? No. Halving is in April. Okay. Whenever the halving happens, is usually going to be 6 months to a year out from there. Anytime if you sell anytime within that range, you're selling during the bull. You've made money. If you buy during the bear and sell during the bull, you've made money. Okay, that's all you have to do. It doesn't like you don't really need to look at charts. You don't need to look at metrics. You don't really need all of that. Although it does help sometimes. Okay. So let's get into some of these charts then. the Bitcoin price broke through significant resistance levels. It doesn't take a scientist or a rocket scientist to understand where the market is going. We've just broke through 30K, which was a significant resistance level. We broke through 32K, which is another significant level. And we broke up to 34, 35, where we've been sitting at for the past, week and a half? Week and a half. We've been sitting around 34 to 35K. Now, once you break a serious resistance like 30K, 30K has been resistance for us for, go look at the charts. It's been about at least a year, over a year. We've been hitting 30K and bouncing right back down. Hitting 30K, bouncing right back down. You know what I'm saying? And in the few instances that we went above 30K, 32K was also a major resistance as well, where we could just get bounced right back down. Okay? What happened? We blew through those resistance. We blew through 30K. We blew through 32K up to 35K. We've been sitting around there for about a week and a half, which means what? If we're blowing through resistance, that's bullishness. That's a sign of bullishness. You shouldn't be bearish when we're blowing through resistance, major resistance, yearly resistance. All right. Just from a technical analysis standpoint, we're sitting pretty right now. Okay. A lot of people are asking me, is Bitcoin overbought right now? Is it this, is that? The fact that we actually blew through major resistance at 30K and 32K, and we're sitting pretty well above it at 34, 35K for a significant amount of time, which is a week and a half, shows me that actually we might actually go up to the next resistance level, and we don't even have another resistance until like 40 something K, right? 40 something. I forget. I have to look at the chart, but I'm giving you around about ballpark numbers. You know what I'm saying? The next resistance is about 40 something K. So realistically, if we're talking technical analysis, it actually might go up to 40 something K very soon in the next few weeks, maybe this month, maybe next month, but it's looking like we might fly up to 40 something K. And if you know anything about technical analysis, yeah, we might actually go up to 40 something K, but actually come right back down to the mid to low 30,000 level to make it resistance again, or to make it support, All right. You blow through resistance, and then you come back to touch it and make it support. That's just usually how it happens. But since we blew through 30K, 32K, went up to 35K, and we've been sitting there for a week and a half, it seems like we actually might go to the next resistance level, which is 40 something K. And then, of course, we might actually come right back down to 30 something K to make it support, right? Once we make it support, we bounce right off of that and then go into the halving. Now we're in April, right? All of that time frame, I'm telling you, this is like from now up until April, which is the halving. All right. So we might, go up to 40 something K, come right back down to 30 something K, make it support, and then bounce up. And then from there, we're looking at, going into the next bull market in April after the halving, and then slowly grinding on up to all-time highs. Okay. And then just so you know, all-time highs is the beginning. All-time high is not the end, right? All-time high is the beginning of what's to come for the next cycle, Bitcoin and alts. All right. And I want to get into alts as well. Okay. But first I want to kind of like, I want to map out exactly why I'm bullish right now. And that's the first thing. Okay. We're breaking through resistance and we're sitting pretty above resistance. Okay. That's number one. Number two, Bitcoin is at an not all-time high, is at a 6-month volume high. Bitcoin volume is at a 6-month high right now. Okay, you can look at the charts. I'm telling you, I'm not going to show you the charts. This is a vlog. This is a crypto vlog. I'm not going to show you any charts, but I'm going to be mentioning them every now and then to show you why I'm bullish. Okay, BTC volume is at a 6-month high. What is that? Does that show you that we're in a bearish sentiment right now? It doesn't. It shows you people are bullish right now. People are interested in crypto. People are interested in BTC. Okay. So that's number two. Number three, there's something called the some of you may know. It's called the Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market chart. Okay. It's known. Everybody knows about it. If you've been in crypto for a while, if you've been in any market for a while, you know about this chart. You can go and Google and look it up. It's called the Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market chart. Okay. Now, if you take that chart and you place it over the Bitcoin chart right now, it lines up exactly. Okay. Well, actually, let me go back a bit. So the Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market chart, actually shows an asset. It's a chart of an asset, starting off low, going up high, reaching a blow off top, and then coming back down. It's a chart, okay? But each level of the chart shows the emotion that people are going through at that moment in the cycle. Okay, so it goes through disbelief, it goes through despair, it goes through euphoria, it goes through all the different emotions that people face at different times in the market. Now, if you take the Wall Street, that's a bit of a tongue twister there, Wall Street cheat sheet, psychology of a market chart, you take that and place it right over the Bitcoin chart. It lines up exactly. And do you know where we land at right now? Right now, it's showing that we are in disbelief. Okay, we've already passed despair. Despair is when you're at the lowest point of the bear market. Everybody is like, forget crypto. Everybody's looking at making money in different ways, different industries, probably thinking of different business plans. All right, that's already happened. Okay, people have already felt that way. Okay, now we're at the part of despair. Actually, no, sorry, disbelief. Disbelief is people are thinking, all right, so maybe the bull market is not going to come back around. Maybe there's going to be a recession. You know, everything Data Dash be talking about, everything, all these bearish crypto analysts on Twitter be talking about. We're not going to have another bull run. It's going to be a recession. It's going to be worse than a recession. It's going to be a Great Depression. Oh, come on, man. I mean, those things might happen actually, but I think the timeline is a lot longer than what they think, right? But yeah, so that's disbelief. People are thinking, hey, there might not be a bull run. That's disbelief. So we're actually in disbelief right now. But what comes right after disbelief? Boom, the market shoots up. The bull market starts. Okay, so we're actually at that time in the market right now, which is gonna be which is really interesting right now. It's really interesting because the market, it's a cycle. Okay, people feel the same emotions over and over at different points in the market. Okay, and that's why I always preach: be contrarian. Don't get caught up in your emotions. Don't get caught up in the crowd. Don't let the crowd sway you. You got to be different. Okay, it's the only way you make money in crypto. The difference between somebody who hops on in the bull market and makes 5 to 10x and the person who makes 50, 100, 1,000 x's is people who got in during the bear. All right, they were contrarians. They were buying when everybody was saying recession, Great Depression, Doomsday predictions, right? But they were hitting the buy button, buying those alts at wholesale prices, right? Anyway, this video is getting long. I wanted to get into a lot of other things, but I'll make another video about it. I want to go into the different the market flow cycle, or the cycle or the flow of the market, how money moves within the market. It's gonna be very important, but this video is getting long. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. I'm dropping gems. That was my market cycle update. I'm bullish. I think we might go to 40K very soon, 40 something K, and then we might go back down to 30 something K, make it support, and then start the bull market. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, share. It's Crypto Faceless. I remain faceless. I remain nameless. Thanks to my day ones for hitting 100 subscribers. We're going to be at 100,000 soon. I'm out.